Liquor is the chloroform which enables the poor man to endure the painful operation of living. Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Underground. And that, of course, was another famous alcohol-inspired quote, this time from George Bernard Shaw. I think he was like a playwright or an author of some sort, I believe. But anyway, today, as you can see behind me, we are going to continue on the shot shootout to determine which is the best shot of the classic times from when I was young, maybe when you were young, or thereabouts. But before we get into that, we have to discuss some results. Well, I'll put this here for now. We're not talking results yet. That's new stuff. We have to go over the results of the shootout number 5 and the shootout number 6, if I can find out where they are. As you recall, shootout number 5 was the Woo Woo versus the B-52. Woo Woo simple drink. It was peach schnapps, vodka, and cranberry juice. And that went up against the B-52, which was one of those layered jobs. Kahlua, or coffee liqueur, Irish cream, and Grand Marnier. Two very good drinks. Definitely two different, I'm going to use one of those foodie words, two different flavor profiles. But we left it up, and the winner, I was actually a little bit surprised in this one. So when I voted for, the winner of this one was, wait for it, the Woo Woo. I voted for it because I prefer fruity drinks to like the creamier drinks, plus I didn't have to layer it. But that's neither here nor there. And then in matchup number 6, it was the Girl Scout cookie versus the Brave Bull. Now the Girl Scout cookie, again, was a layered deal. It was very similar to the B-52. It had coffee liqueur, Irish cream, and this time we put some butterscotch schnapps on it, and then just a little float of creme de menthe on top. It's supposed to taste like, I'm assuming, one of those little thin mint cookies you get from the Girl Scouts. Alas, the Girl Scout cookie. And that went up against the Brave Bull. Brave Bull is a very simple shot to make. It's just two things: tequila, your favorite tequila, and your favorite hot sauce. Tequila in a glass, put a little bit of hot sauce on top. Now this obviously is a drink that's going to change depending on the tequila you use. I wouldn't be using some fancy aged tequila. I wouldn't even use a reposado. I would just use a regular silver tequila. Save the reposado and the añejo for something special or just to drink on their own. And then you put some hot sauce in it, your favorite hot sauce. I would imagine in Mexico, it's Mexican inspired. I don't know if it's from Mexico or just Mexican inspired. They might be using something like Valentino or one of those hot sauces you get in the Mexican restaurants. I actually used one we brought back from the Caribbean. It was a little chunky, a little thick. Probably wasn't the best choice, but it worked out and it was fine. So those two, Girl Scout cookie, Brave Bull, went together, and the winner of that one, no shock, it was the Girl Scout cookie, because the Brave Bull is just, I don't know, I don't think I ever made one of those until that day. But I digress, as I normally do. So let's move on to our next matchup. We got the big jar of what we have left. We still probably have enough to do 3 or 4 or 5 more matchups in here. It's going to take us a while because I don't just bang, bang, bang. I mix them up. And we do different things interspersed with the shootout. We have our lives that we love to do. That's another thing, our lives. I hope you're enjoying the lives. We like the lives. We're still working out some technical difficulties on the lives, but it's doing pretty well. We have fun anyway. Ooh. This one, the first one for the day is Swedish fish. That's going to be fun. That's going to be a good one. And that's going to go up against... Dun, da, da, da. Ooh. God, I hope I had the stuff for this. Snake bite. So let's get that stuff together and then we'll get on with the shootout. Okay, we're ready to go. That was actually pretty funny because I'm looking through to see, I'm like, snake bite. Do I even have Yukon? And lo and behold, I have a big brand new bottle of Yukon. I don't even know where I get these things. And then Swedish Fish, I'm thinking Blackhaus. Do I have Blackhaus? Yeah, I had a bottle of Blackhaus. That's kind of scary that you have stuff that you don't even know you have. But anyway, so let's start off with, we'll do the Swedish Fish first because, no, we'll do the snake bite first because that's real simple. It's just Yukon. Now, what is Yukon Jack? First of all, it's 100 proof. And as you can imagine, it's imported from Canada. Yukon Jack Canadian liqueur. Yukon Jack is a taste born of hoary nights when lonely men struggle to keep their fires lit and cabins warm. Boldly flavorful, yet surprisingly smooth. There is no spirit like Yukon. It's been a minute since I've had Yukon Jack. I mean, it's just kind of like whiskey-esque, I guess you would say. So it's going to have some Yukon and then some Rose's lime juice. Now, I don't have Rose's lime juice. This is actually just lime juice. Organic lime juice from, it says a splash or whatever you want. That's how much I'm putting in. And it's simple as that. We have completed our first entry in today's round, matchup number 7 of the Clash, the snake bite. And next up is Swedish Fish. Now, I believe we made Swedish Fish before in our candy shop cocktails. I will leave a link to that in the description so you can check that out. It is an easy drink. It combines equal parts of Blackhaus, which was just a, it's just a blackberry schnapps. Equal parts, however much you want to make. I'll do one of each. So it's Blackhaus, blackberry schnapps, cranberry juice. Now, obviously, when back in the day when we were tending bar, we weren't measuring all this stuff. We free poured. And I mean, it's hard to free pour with just with bottles. Or, I mean, obviously, in a professional bar, commercial bar, your bottles. First of all, most places aren't going to pour out of handles. They're going to pour out of 750s, and they're all going to have speed pourers on them, which makes it a little easier to manage. Here we go. So there's really not much to it, is there? No, not at all. I'm not even sure. Have we done? We may have even done Swedish Fish on a shot short. So how about them apples? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Number 2 today. The Swedish Fish. All right, there you have it. 2 easy, and that's, you know what? That's what I like about the shootout. We get in, we get out, we make drinks, we're ready to go and have a good time. And if you're interested in having a good time, if you're not already subscribed, you gotta subscribe to the Grand Theft Pub Underground. It costs nothing, it's free. It's just like extra ketchup packets. It's free. So subscribe to the Grantham Pub Underground. Turn on notifications. Be sure to hit the bell so when the bar's open, you'll be notified. You come hang out with us and see what's going on. And also, do us a huge, huge favor. Like the video, share this episode, spread the word. Grantham Pub is the place to be. So, without further ado, it's time to see how we did. Let's go with ready, drink. All right, now, full disclosure, I'm going to try this one first because I just ate a Swedish fish. So I know what the flavor is. And this one's cold, so I don't want the chill to go off. So cheers to you, cheers to the Shootout. Here we go. Is it good? Yeah. Does it taste like a Swedish fish? No. I think if you put a little more cranberry in there, it probably would. Oh, excuse me. But, I mean, it's good. It's fruity, tasty. It's nice. It's a nice shot. I wouldn't turn it away if somebody bought me one. And then we have the, I don't know why I got to make them in such big glasses. The, what the heck is this called? Snake Bite. Yukon Jack, lime juice. Easy, provided you have Yukon Jack and lime juice. Cheers. That's definitely a shot. Here's the thing. My eyes are watering. Yukon Jack is 100 proof. So it's pretty strong. And it burns going down. Excuse me. And then the lime, it just kind of, what can I describe the powers of the lime in that drink? It just does. It doesn't necessarily tame the alcohol. It's like just gives a little citrusy pop. They're both good in their own way. So we have to decide which one we like the best. I know which one, just based on what I just had right now, which one I like the best. But you have to tell me which one you would like the best. Go out and try them. They're easy to drink. Any bar is going to have the things to make this. So you go out with your friends, try them. Come back here, let me know what you think, and we shall see which one moves on and which one does not. So that's it, guys. Easy one for today. Thanks for stopping by. I enjoyed having you. Can close up now. Last call for alcohol. We just had it. You have a good time enjoying spirits wherever you have them, but please do it responsibly. Come back and see us again. And until then, remember, I'll save a seat at the bar for you. I can't even cheers yet. Cheers.